I'm very sick today, but I'm going to do my nails with my Project Pan makeup, so I thought I'd record it. Here we go. So this is my Project Pan this year. It's a little LA Colors purple palette that I got ages ago. I believe they do still sell it. There should be an Amazon link below. I like the colors and everything. I bought it for this one specific color down here, but I've had it so long and I'm expanding with my palette selections that I decided to try to pan it this year, which means that I'm trying to use up the powders until I hit the pan that they are in at the bottom there. It's quite satisfying. I realized last month that I had these 3 pans left and they're all the same color. I didn't want to wear that look every day. I knew I just wouldn't do it. So I looked it up, and you can use this as nail polish, and it blew my mind, and I need a distraction today, so I'm going to do them, so I thought I'd film some of it. So, sorry about my nail quality. I have too many animals and anxiety to deal with that, but this is how we do it. This is a fairly new process to me. I've just been experimenting with it. I have some nail polish that's clear. It says it's a base coat. There's not even a brand on here, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my nails. I find that trying to tap it right onto the nail itself without a base coat is a little too slippery and the powder just doesn't stick. I don't know what makes it stick to paint, but even when I don't use a base coat, it just seems to stick better to the nail. To each nail. All of these dry very fast. I tried it on a black base, but it didn't look as purpley to me. I can't wait to try this with some of my other palettes, though. It's going to be epic. It's a little bit tacky, which is good. That means sticky, in case you didn't know. Alright, and then I just use my finger. I tried a brush and I found that it didn't work real well. I kind of try to, you're going to get it all over your cuticle, or whatever this thing out here is called. So I just kind of tap it on. That's a pretty good coverage. Let's keep going. I'm just going to do this hand for you. That was pretty easy. A lot of it does get on your finger and on your skin. I'm not using fancy gel nail polish or anything, so I know nothing about that, believe it or not. My nails are in such bad shape, but I'm determined to hit pan. I don't know if I'm pretty confident I'm gonna make it. It is November, like 19th, I think, today. Alright, so hopefully you can see, some of these are a little more solid than others. And then I need another clear coat for, like, in the middle. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the base coat again. I hope I can use this footage. I just kind of make sure it's loaded up and just gently, quickly swipe over top of it so it doesn't pull as much powder up. The brush in this might get a little bit dirty. Which is another reason I chose an old nail polish that I don't really mind. Wait for that one to get tacky. Alright, time for the second coat. And hopefully you can see just how much more even they are with the second coat. Surprised I don't have more purple on this white cloth, to be honest. So I just really pack it on. I try to kind of rub it off on the nail and then like pull the powder in. Like I said, I did try a brush and I really couldn't get it to stick any better. I'm sure there's other methods of doing this. Alright, where are my tissues? Because now my finger's all purple. Alright, because my hands are so, I don't want to say abused, but basically, I tried to get a clear coat for the top that is like gonna harden it. So once I've got the second layer of powder on, I just swipe this over. Again, I kind of go fast so as I don't pull up the powder. This is another fast drying formula. If there's not enough on the brush, you're kind of scraping the powder off. So you gotta go a little bit fast and load it up. Obviously this hasn't dried yet. Once this dries, I will rub it off of my fingers. But yeah, it makes a difference. It looks nice. Eventually I'm going to try it with like shimmer and glitter and stuff. So hopefully you learned something. Good luck with your project pan or pan that palette if you're doing that this year. Check out our project pan playlist and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. You can see that's I believe they just do I am working in this one next. I realized I have no idea which direction we're in.